In this lesson, we will use a unit circle to determine the 6 trigonometric function values for theta equals 5 pi divided by 4 radians. We first need to plot the angle in standard position. The initial side is along the positive x-axis. Because the angle is positive 5 pi divided by 4, or positive 5/4 pi radians, we rotate counterclockwise 5 pi divided by 4, or 5/4 pi radians. Half a rotation counterclockwise would be 4/4 pi radians. We need to rotate another 1/4 pi radians to find the terminal side of 5/4 pi radians. So here we have 4/4 pi radians and then 5/4 pi radians. This is the terminal side for 5/4 pi radians, which we can also see is equal to 225 degrees. Notice the terminal side intersects a unit circle at the point negative square root 2 divided by 2, comma, negative square root 2 divided by 2. We use this point to determine the 6 trigonometric function values. Notice both the x and y coordinates are negative square root 2 divided by 2. On the unit circle, cosine theta equals x and sine theta equals y, and because both x and y are negative square root 2 divided by 2, we know both the cosine and sine function values of 5 pi divided by 4 radians equal negative square root 2 divided by 2. Next, secant theta equals the reciprocal of cosine theta, or 1 divided by x. The reciprocal of the cosine function value is negative 2 divided by square root 2, which indicates secant of 5 pi divided by 4 equals negative 2 divided by square root 2. But let's also rationalize the denominator. To do this, we multiply the numerator and denominator by the square root of 2. Multiplying, we have negative 2 square root 2 divided by 2. Notice here we can simplify again. 2 divided by 2 simplifies to 1, leaving us with negative square root 2. The cosecant function value equals the reciprocal of the sine function value, which indicates cosecant of 5 pi divided by 4 equals negative 2 divided by square root 2, which we also know is equal to negative square root 2. Next, tangent theta is equal to y divided by x. And because x and y are equal, we should recognize y divided by x is going to equal positive 1, and therefore tangent 5 pi divided by 4 equals 1. And then finally, cotangent theta is equal to the reciprocal of the tangent function value, or x divided by y. And again, because x and y are equal, x divided by y is also equal to positive 1. It's also true the reciprocal of 1 is also 1. Cotangent 5 pi divided by 4 equals 1. I hope you found this helpful.